What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Mara Holdings with the ticker symbol MARA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So Mara Holdings looks like it's looking somewhat bullish, and I'll go over the reasons why. So if we zoom out on the chart, you can see there's a macro range pattern in play. I'm going to go ahead and circle that right now. So we have the highs right around this $30 level, and then lows are right around that $15 level. So this is a very large range pattern. Price made two large legs down. So this is one large leg down, pull back, second leg down. So almost a perfect measure move was made, and then price bounced up higher back inside the range because ranges typically act as magnets or like black holes. It just sucks price right back to it. So since price is back in the range, this looks like it can continue higher. It had a chance to stay outside the range. As you can see here, price came back to the range lows. It found a little bit of resistance, sold off, but the selling pressure was not strong enough. Buyers stepped in and then pulled back or drove up price back in the range. And then it bounced from that level to find support. So previously it was resistance, and now it became support. So it looks like price is advancing higher. And we can draw a trend line now off the swing lows, 1, 2, 3. It looks like, this trend line is in play right about here. You have this swing right here to this swing, and it looks like we recovered the trend line. So it looks like this trend line is in play, and potentially we could be setting up for another large leg up. We also did see two micro legs down, one leg down right here, second leg down, and boom, what do you know? Right after that measurement target was met, we saw higher prices develop off a potential support level and trend line. So since price is moving up higher, it's probably going to take out this prior high, and it might go for a large measure move up. One leg up right here, second leg up, and this target is right around 1768, and possibly even a larger one. One leg up right here, second leg up, right around 2148. So it looks good for higher prices. In the meantime, I would expect price to take out the $17 level to re-enter the 20s. As long as this downward sloping trend line doesn't act as resistance here, because it did act as resistance right about here and here. But there's a good chance we probably get back above it with everything going on in the chart. So you have to look at the context. Context is key. You don't just look at one candlestick. You don't just look at one trend line. You don't just look at one resistance or support level. You put everything together, and then it paints a picture. So that's all I have on the daily chart. And Mara Holdings is the second ranked Bitcoin treasury company. They continue to add Bitcoin on the balance sheet just slowly for this couple of months. This month, they've been adding just double digits, so just slowly, but they are ranked the second. So let's take a look at the weekly chart to wrap up the video. And as you can see here, weekly chart just summarizes what I've been saying. It's a range pattern, reach the measurement target. So we can clear up the chart a little bit. And we can, with this trend line, we can just keep what's actually in play. And since we had a large leg up previously from 2022 December to about February 2024, and it looks like we potentially have bottomed after two large legs down, this could be the start of a second leg up, targeting sometime or the price level about $41. So let's see if we can get up there. That's a long-term target, but it is a target nonetheless. So that's all I have for Mara Holdings on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.